In the wake of a recent Alabama Supreme Court ruling deeming frozen embryos as unborn children, anti-abortion advocates are urging lawmakers to support legislation that would legally recognize embryos as people. Influential groups like the Heritage Foundation and Susan B. Anthony Pro-Life America are pressing for regulations on in vitro fertilization, IVF, treatments, proposing limits on embryo creation, transfer guidelines, and genetic testing restrictions. However, critics fear these efforts could lead to excessive regulations on reproductive care, potentially closing IVF clinics and imposing restrictions on abortion. Despite anti-abortion sentiments, a majority of Americans support legal abortion and IVF. Yet, conservative lawmakers are urged to frame the issue as protecting embryos' rights and promoting ethical IVF practices. The Life at Conception Act, championed by GOP lawmakers, aims to recognize fertilized eggs as humans but lacks IVF provisions. Some Republicans, including Representative Chris Smith, advocate for outlawing certain IVF practices to protect embryos. However, others, like Representative Michelle Steele, oppose federal restrictions on IVF, emphasizing its importance in helping families conceive. GOP lawmakers, particularly those facing tough re-election battles, navigate these divisive issues cautiously. While some endorse IVF protections, others refrain from taking a stance, fearing backlash or alienating voters. Despite Democratic criticism of GOP's approach, Republicans remain divided on how to address IVF regulation, reflecting broader societal debates on reproductive rights and ethical considerations. For more updates, subscribe my channel.